Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ancillary Physics 3 and we are discussing unit number 3 and today we are going to discuss three simple topics, namely the mean or average value of AC voltage for a half cycle, an associated problem with that, then mean value of an alternating current, and the third topic is root mean square value of an alternating current. These are the three topics that we are going to discuss in this lecture. First one, the mean or average value of an AC voltage for half cycle. So here you can refer to the previous video. The EMF the alternating EMF is represented 2 E naught by T multiplied by T by 2 pi this side minus cos. Let me apply the limits. 2 pi by T multiplied by T by 2 minus plus cos of 2 pi by T multiplied by 0. Okay, here 2 and 2 will cancel, T and T cancel, so remaining is E naught by pi, and this side minus cos T 2 cancel, so minus cos pi plus cos 0. So this is equal to E naught by pi minus cos pi, which is equal to cos pi equal to minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus cos 0 1. So this term becomes 2. So 2 E naught by pi. So this is nothing but E average or E mean, that is the mean or average value of an alternating voltage for a half cycle, that is nothing but 2 E naught by pi. Right? So this is one topic, and let us see a problem associated with the topic.